skin glow, your skin just like pearl.
Hey my chocolate babies, welcome back to another YouTube video with a girl dipped in chocolate. So I'm not gonna have on disclose in the next clip, but this video is basically about places in Jamaica, places that I went to when I was on vacation. So just sit back, relax, please like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that post notification bell to be notified. Okay guys, so this is the renowned pudding man called Just Cool, aka Pudding Man. These are all the puddings. So basically on the roadside, we just stop and get some pudding. Yeah, no mask, no service. So we just got our pudding from the pudding man. Everybody got like something to drink.
Like we know our coffee pop. I might have said you have pop, you have pop, you have
Gloria, so we're in Port Royal, guys. This is so pretty, like it's like a community, but like it's away from the world. Okay, that's guys, it? We'll just check the order and everything again.
Who's everybody drinking this? Check out of them?
Let me see name plate.
What did you order with that?
Let me see name plate. Let me see name plate.
How come they pick up they should put up a barrier? Why didn't they put up a barrier?
They
Can't? Oh.
Them things that someone want blood in there.
Hey guys, so we're at a place called Fireside Jerk and Bar. I don't know which parish we're in, I know. I think we're in like Clarendon. I think we're in Clarendon. Yeah, we're in Clarendon. At a jerk center called Fireside. Nice seatings, and you have different hours over that side. There's no pricing, but the menu is there. Nice piece of place, man. Car is over there. Guys, what's up? Guys, we don't know if we can do it, you know. But I'm gonna do it. Come rude. We don't know if we can go up on it, but we'll go up on it. No, come on.
I ain't much of yourself.
Alright, we'll come off, yeah? And I
Go ahead. Which way?
the way there.
It's on?
Yeah.
Here it goes. I can't hold it there.
I'm doing
Oh Lord.
Holland.
Holland bamboo. Look at that arch. It is an arch. Oh. It is an arch.
What is that?
Arch.
Then have a fire, chuck up, come on, fire.
I'm getting the mirror in there, so I can't hold it too high. There's a big truck with sugar cane, taking it to the factory to wine it and grind it, and here comes sugar. Sugar pop.
Okay, done with the party, done. Yeah. Does somebody want to? Yeah, eat it. It's hot though. It's real hot.
The truck try to keep the thing gonna pull the cane out. The cane gonna jump off on us. You want to stop, Makhalia, or? How much you want?
Why?
Like a paper bag, we put a few of them in. A big bag.
So guys, we are in.
Oh, they
You know what? I don't like the big one.
yes.
So guys, we're in St. Elizabeth,
No, that's two big ones.
Get some little
and
yeah.
we're getting some
Want to
shrimp.
get some pepper shrimp?
Yeah.
Hey,